Hello guys, welcome to Silicon Glyph. In this video, we are going to see how you can install Xilinx Vivado 2025.2 version in your Windows 11 PC. So up until now, we have used 2024 version and we have already seen how you can install 2024 version. And in 2025 version, they've added few things and they have enhanced a lot. And they added a feature which I've been waiting for a very long time and almost all developers like that feature. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to open the Chrome and I will put the link in the description below about the download page. So when you go to downloads, it will show something like this. Click on 2025.2 version. And then if you scroll down a bit, you will see this one. This is the installer which you can download. So I'm going to click on this. And for verification, you can download any of these things if it wants to verify. So after downloading the version, it will ask for few details like your name, email ID, company. You can put, if you are not working yet, you can simply use NA not applicable. And for a job function, if you are a student, you can use it as a student, or if you are currently working in some role, you can choose the role you are currently working on. So I'm going to click the student and then I will, if I click on download, the download will start. So if I already downloaded the installer, so this is the installer. So now I'm going to open the installer and click on S and it will extract the installer. I'm going to, so they have enhanced a lot of things. Even the installer is a bit better now. Click allow because it's going to download the software components. This is the wizard, installation wizard, and it will show something like this. But we are already downloading the 2025.2 version, so you can simply click on continue and then click on next. And then here you have to give the email address and password. And then click next. After you click next, it will look something like this. It will ask for which product you want to download. I mean, which software you want to download. And then I'll click on Vivado because we are only installing Vivado. So select Vivado and click next. And here it will ask for a standard edition or an enterprise edition. So we don't need an enterprise edition right now because we are not going to use the entire Vivado software. We are only going to go up to simulation part. And if you have a physical device, we can actually download the physical device. You can synthesize the model and you can also dump the model even in the standard edition. But the devices are limited compared to enterprise edition. But as we are only learning this software and Verilog, we are going to use ML standard edition. And you might also require a license if you are going to select the enterprise edition. So I recommend for learning purposes, you can use standard edition. So now select the standard edition and then click next. And inside this, you can select uh, which components you want to install. So now I will leave the default selected things and then inside the devices, if you have a specific device, you can open up the series and then you can select the specific device. If not, you can simply select the device you want or the series you want, and then you can select multiple devices. As I don't require all these devices, I will simply remove all this. I don't even need this series because I'm not going to do any hardware related projects. As it's a learning purpose, I'm going to use only this. So for this, you can also remove these two and it will reduce the download size and disk space further. But I'm going to put both of these and then click next. And now just click on I agree for all the agreements. If you want to read those agreements, you can basically read, but nobody does that. Now I'm going to install this in the C drive, but If your space is very low, I recommend using another disk for installation. Here you can see that the download size is 17 GB, but after installing it will take around 63.46 GB and only have 80 GB in this. So instead of downloading it in C, I will install it in another folder, another drive. And I will use Xilinx 2025, and then I will install it in this folder. I will leave everything as it is and then click next. And now these are the specifications you have installed. These are the options you selected to install the Vivado software. And then after this, there is a small change in 2024 version and 2025 version. In 24 version, it basically links the license automatically, but in 25 version, you have to generate the license for your account and you have to link the license to your software. So we are going to see how you can do that in this video. So don't skip the video because uh, there is a bit of process on how you can generate the license. So click on install and it will start downloading the files and installing the files. So the time depends on your network speed as well as your disk speed. If you are installing in SSD, it will be even more quicker, but I'm installing in an HDD, so it will take a little bit more time for me. So I'm going to skip this part because it will take a lot of time, and I will get back to you once the software is installed. So after installing the software, you will get two extra wizards. The first one is this one actually. You will get a wizard of installing WinPCap. I've already installed this product, but for the sake of explanation, so this is the thing that will open after the installation of your Vivado software. You can install this WinPCap. I've already installed it, so it will try to reinstall it. So that is why I'm getting the error. So it took me almost 3 hours to install the software. I mean, download and install the software because I have an HDD. So if I install in SSD, maybe installation will be even more quicker. So now coming to the license. So this is the license manager which will open automatically during the installation process. So now what we are going to do is we are going to click on connect now and it will open. So let's open this in my. So now we are here with the product licensing and verification, right? We use the same details here, and then we click on submit. And then you get something like it will load. It will take a bit time. So this is how it will show you to generate the license, and you can select which license you need here. And the only thing you have to generate the license file is for Vivado. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the Vivado Design Suite HL Webpack 2015 and earlier license. And you can see that there is no end date here. So this is the license we are going to use in order to use Xilinx Vivado software. And I'm going to click Generate Node Lock License. So you can click on Next and you can basically download the license. But if you are going to select any other license file, like for example, if I select Xilinx Microblades and this license and click on Generate Node Lock, it will ask for a host ID here. You can see that it's showing license and node. So these things only works with specific hosts. So you can simply go on, select a host and add a host. And inside this, it will ask for few details about your host. So host is nothing but your PC, your computer. And these details can be found in license manager in under view host information. So when you click on view host information, it will show host name and drive serial number and every detail. So you can use this host name inside this, and then you can choose the operating system, and then you can choose host ID type. So if you are wondering what your host ID type is, see the details here. If the Flex ID dongle ID is present here, you can select Flex dongle Flex ID. But in my system, it's showing drive serial number. So I'm going, if I click on this, select this, and then I have to give this ID here. So I'm not going to do this because I don't need the microblaze or all programmable as well software. So I'm going to click on cancel and deselect the Xilinx microblaze license, and I will only put Vivado design suite license and click generate node license, node lock license. And then for Vivado, we don't need any node. We don't need to give any information about our computer or host. And then I will click next. And this is the final display where it shows what licenses you have selected. Click on next, and the license was generated. So the license will be sent to your Gmail ID, which I'm going to. So you can see that we got the license file, which is this one, xilinx.lic, right? So I can simply download this. Then you can see we have the license file. So if I open it, it's in downloads. So I'm going to open the license manager again, and then I will click on load license, and then click on copy license, and then it is in the downloads. So I'm going to go here, then downloads, and you can see we have xilinx.lic. So I will just open. So I've already installed this same version before, so that is why I'm getting a license conflict. Uh, if you didn't install any Xilinx product before, it will load the license automatically. So I will just click on yes because it wants to replace the license already existing license. So I'll click on OK, and your license was loaded successfully. Now I'm going to quit the Vivado license manager, and I will just refresh the desktop, and then now we get four icons. Doc now, which is the documentation of your Vivado, and then White is Composer, as well as Vivado. So this is the software we are going to use from now on. And your Xilinx Vivado 2025 is installed successfully. So about the features of this 2025, I'm going to make another video where I'm going to show you few things, because Vivado finally added the dark theme for Vivado, which is 2025 version. And I'm really glad that they did, because we developers love dark mode. I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode and how you can use the new Vivado UI in the next video. So thanks for watching.